Hey y'all, welcome to Clackbait. The holidays are here and hopefully you guys got a chance to unwrap a brand new keyboard and you're thinking to yourself, damn, I need a new keycap set. Well, Canon Keys has just released a new Keycaps CXA profile and they sent me over the black on white keycaps to check out. I generally wouldn't do a keycap video or a keycap overview, but I think that these are pretty interesting. It has a brand new profile, which is very similar to Cherry. However, it's scooped, so it's a little bit more ergonomic and it has a couple of little interesting quirks to it as well. So I just wanted to go over this with you guys just to show you there's another option out there. I know the GMK sets are being pushed back into 2023 and people are kind of tired of waiting. So let's take a look at some great options that are out there that are very affordable and come with just about everything you need. So let's just jump right into it and go over this keycap set. Now this is going to be a PBT and ABS blend keycap, so that should be really nice. So it shouldn't wear as much as an ABS set, but it'll still kind of give you that pop sound that people love from the GMK set. So we'll compare the two and see how they are. So here's the complete 60 setup that it comes with. As you can see, everything is nicely laid out in a nice plastic case. And also it has support for many different style keyboards, 40s, ergonomics, it has split shift, it has multiple space bars with all the sizes you pretty much need. So that's a pretty big win as well. And you also get the full number pad, all the F rows, some media keys. So that's actually pretty nice that it comes all in one package. Also included is going to be this keycap puller. And then you have novelties and black accent kit, which is pretty nice, which includes the space bar. So you get a 7U and a 6.25U space bar in black as well with this kit. Now the font on these keycaps pretty clean and crisp. I didn't find any major inconsistencies in the alphas or the mods. And as you can see here, this is a sculpted profile, although it is a cherry height keycap. So I'm really kind of digging that. I've always liked MT3, but it was kind of high for me, so I kind of stopped using them. Now these space bars are pretty unique with this keycap set. I think Canon Keys did a great job of adding a bit of comfort to the space bar. Some people like to turn their space bar around because they feel like it's more comfortable. What they done is they added a little groove here, some curvature, so your thumb rests on it a lot easier. So when you're kind of banging away at those typing tests, you're not gonna really be hurting your thumb or causing fatigue. So super nice. And here's a look at the mods, just to kind of show you the font. Really clear, centered, no issues there. Another thing that this has a benefit over Cherry profile keycaps, that it does not have the interference when it comes to the north-facing PCBs that some of you guys have. So when you actually test this out, as you can see with a Cherry profile, standard Cherry profile, you do have that interference when you do run it north configuration on the home row. But for this new CXA profile, you do not find any kind of interference at all. So those of you guys with the north-facing PCBs, you don't have to settle for SA or some of the other profiles. You could still get a Cherry type profile without the interference. And as far as the texture, it's a little bit more gritty than a GMK set, but it's not really that far off. And just another comparison of the side profile of the Cherry CXA, and I threw in an SA for good measure. And here's a couple of images, one with Cherry and with the same keyboard with the CXA, same profile. But let's hear how they sound, see if there's any difference. So yeah, I think Canon Keys and Canon Caps did a great job on the CXA profile. I actually highly recommend these keycaps for $79.99. I think you're getting a really good deal. The font is clean and crisp. The typing feel is very comfortable with those sculpted little divots in the keycaps. And overall, I think they did a great job. And the spacebar especially is really nice. I think that's pretty innovative to kind of add a little bit of ergonomics to the spacebar itself. And like I said, for those who'd like to flip their spacebar, they really won't have to do that. They'll find this to be just right. Also, this thing is available today to purchase. In our hobby, that's key, availability. I do have a link down below for you to use. It is an affiliate link and it does help the channel, so I would greatly appreciate it. I will be getting back to my regular routine of keyboard reviews. I have a lot in store. I got the Cyberboard Round 3, I got the Mammoth 75 coming in, and many other boards. So if you're not subscribed, please consider it. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you already are, you know I love y'all. Peace.